Kelly wants to live in Florida. I think I can handle it.
Hi, everybody. My name's Betty. I can't find myself.
Day 357 at Disney World. The room's getting messier.
Just put it in there for now. We gotta go.
We're getting up later. Like people already come back from parks. We're just starting to leave. We're tired. My feet hurt. So plan for today. Animal Kingdom. And then probably directly to Disney Springs.
We're gonna open back
Elevator party.
I thought it was gonna open back up.
Let me see those Mauis. Nice. Let's see. Maui tattoo still there. I like Go. This is the bus. Animal Kingdom bus today. We're gonna make it. It's not as bad as yesterday.
Yeah, no. Yeah. We just got off the bus at Animal Kingdom. And it's neat because you can see they've got real bamboo growing.
I'll tell her. Kelly!
Right on the video. Poor Lukey.
Sorry.
Say, knock it off. Okay, no fighting at Disney.
That's said only on video.
Okay.
I know, but I don't like
Get me
it.
back later.
Yeah,
They
Luke
found Monday on Monday.
found some. There's the cool tree lady. Looks like she's heading in. Yeah. It is neat. She does a fantastic job. It's very cool. So we just made it through the gate. And we're making our way through. We're heading to Dinosaur first. I've never ridden Dinosaur, and Benjamin hasn't either.
I rode a.
He's grinning ear to ear.
Barely big enough.
Okay. Let's go ride this thing.
Oh, yeah, it's a good thing you got that. I don't think that's scary.
I'm going to be running at the dinosaurs. Like the dinosaurs run at me.
So you'll have to tell everybody whether you like it or not, okay?
I'm going to like it.
Okay. So we're walking in.
Someone farted.
Yeah. Hey, Benjamin. Tell me how the ride was.
Awesome.
Did you like it? It was so much fun. I thought it was pretty good. It wasn't really scary at all. I kept expecting everyone to say I was going to scream, but
I like the dinosaur.
no. What did you like? The dinosaur ride?
Yeah.
It was fun?
What'd you get? Oh, Jack.
Oh.
Hawkeye, another vendor. Huh?
Does it say Disneyland on it?
You want to do a pin?
That's cool. Gotta wait for our turn to go. Pretty quick. Benjamin, get down.
Please remain seated at all times during our safari. Been hit really hard by poaching. There are less than 5,000 black rhinos left in all the world today. It can make them rather difficult to find. Known to be the tallest land animals, giraffe can be up to 20 feet tall, 14,000 pounds, and be anywhere from 3 to 5 feet taller than a female for about 18 to 20 hours out of the day. They like to hunt at night. Over to the right, we've got those beautiful white rhinoceros, much larger than black.
All right, Benny, what are we riding now?
The spinning ride thing.
Dinosaur spinning ride. Triceratops spin. Ready? She's right there. You see her? Want to go down? There she is. Hi, Mom. We're in Animal Kingdom at DinoLand, and we're looking for the ticket booth for the carnival games. 3 vouchers plus 2 bonuses, $15. I'm assuming the bonus is a game, right? That's the price. Alright, we bought 5 game tickets. They look like that.
Alright, my friends.
2 wins a small prize, 3 wins a large, but he only got 2 balls. So.
Perfect. So if you make 2, you get a small there. But you did good. Good job. Alright, you get 3 tries, my friend. If you make 2, you get a small one. And if you make 3, you get a big one.
Oh, not quite.
Go for it. That's okay.
Next time.
You did so good. Great job. High five, my friend. Great job. Hello, everyone. How are you all doing?
Should have chose the roller.
Yeah.
After I explain the game after I collect all the tickets. Okay? If you want to play mine.
Okay. So he's gonna explain the game after he cuts all the tickets. There's Mom.
Okay, you have 4 comets
Benny.
to throw in the galaxy. If you
That's
land in
the
a colored
galaxy.
hole, that's the prize you win. If you land in a black hole, it's gone forever. You can go ahead and play.
So if it goes in the black hole, it's gone forever. And the colored one wins you a prize. Oh, that was a close one. Mom, I haven't gotten anything yet. Ooh, that was close, Mom. They got nothing.
Okay, you can go ahead and play.
Oh, come on. Nothing. Nothing.
Benny got himself a souvenir.
Yep.
I like it. Use your gift card.
Yep.
Nice.
You have $1.53 left or something, or
Mickey.
$1.50.
Mars, who's this?
Nemo.
No, he's got a little fin. I find if he gets tired, just come anywhere near here. You're not ready. That's right. We'll try school again next year.
But Dad.
No, you can't swim well.
I can't.
No, you can't. Come along. You think that you can do these?
He's tired.
Yeah, this is a cool show. This is one of Mommy's
We're waiting to see the
favorites.
Lion King.
Lion King.
Don't worry, you're all fun. The monkey's here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. I'm supposed to be center stage. Who's driving this thing?
All right, Giraffe, you're first on the count of 3. Let's hear some noises. 1, 2, 3.
Why? I'm in the ship. Hello? Hello? Look at me! I'm in a parade! Hey, jungle monkeys! Walk me over by the warthog section!
All right, Woodhogs, it's your turn. On the count of 3, let's hear some snort. 1, 2, 3.
Give yourself a big hand! Great job! Especially you! You were perfect! Come on, Jerry! Let's take it home!
Alright, we just finished Lion King. Luke, any chafing?
No.
I got a little. What's going on, Callie?
Nothing. Yeah. I want to move to Florida.
Callie wants to live in Florida. Our first rainy day. It's not really rainy, it's weird. It's misty. Callie's
Yeah, look at my
whining.
glasses.
Luke's fogged up. It's very humid, surprisingly. So, we're sweaty. We're gonna hop on a bus. Hopefully we can find the bus that goes to Disney Springs. I heard that they have that now.
I just
It's the Animal Kingdom Christmas tree. It's pretty cool.
all the different animals.
Yeah. We've never been here at night. Never. Trying to find the bus to Disney Springs. We always have a hard time getting to Disney Springs. That's why we don't go.
subscribe to my channel. Bye.